Welcome back to Aircraft Technician Network. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of aviation maintenance. You ever watch a jumbo jet take off and think, man, I wonder who keeps that thing in the air? It's a marvel of modern engineering, but behind every successful flight is a team of dedicated professionals. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not magic. It's hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of know-how. These technicians are the unsung heroes of the aviation industry, ensuring every component is in perfect working order. Aircraft maintenance technicians, also known as aircraft mechanics, are responsible for inspecting, maintaining, and repairing aircraft. They ensure that planes are safe and airworthy. Today we're diving headfirst into the gritty world of aviation maintenance, breaking down the 10 simple steps to becoming a professional certified aircraft technician. From rigorous training programs to hands-on experience, we'll cover it all. This ain't your grandpappy's garage, folks. Modern aircraft hangars are equipped with state-of-the-art technology and tools that make the job both challenging and exciting. We're talking about the intricate systems that keep planes safe and in the sky. From avionics to hydraulics, every system requires meticulous attention to detail. It's a demanding field, but the rewards are sky high, no pun intended. The sense of accomplishment after a successful repair is unparalleled. If you're looking for a career that's both challenging and rewarding, then buckle up, because this one's for you. The collaboration between pilots and technicians is crucial for ensuring flight safety. Let's get our hands dirty and explore the exciting journey of becoming an aircraft technician. From the initial training to the day-to-day responsibilities, we'll guide you through every step of the way. So if you're passionate about aviation and have a knack for mechanics, this could be the perfect career path for you. The sky's the limit when it comes to opportunities in this field. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these steps in our upcoming episodes. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and your hands on the tools. First things first, you gotta understand what you're getting yourself into. Being an aircraft technician is more than just tinkering with engines. It's about meticulous inspections, troubleshooting complex systems, and ensuring the safety of everyone on board. We're talking pneumatics, avionics, fuel systems, communication systems, among others. You'll be working in all kinds of environments, from hangars to tarmacs, sometimes under tight deadlines. It's physically demanding, requires sharp attention to detail, and a whole lot of patience. So before you grab your toolbox, do your homework and make sure this is the right fit for you. Before diving into any career, it's important to understand what it entails to get a clear picture of the job. Aircraft mechanics work in various settings, including hangars, repair stations, and on airfields. They may work on commercial jets, private planes, helicopters, or even military aircraft. Understanding the scope of this career will help you determine if it's the right fit for you. Look, I know you're itching to get your hands dirty, but a solid education is crucial in this field. Before you can even think about working on an aircraft, you need to hit the books. This isn't just about passing exams. It's about building a foundation that will support your entire career. A high school diploma or GED is your boarding pass. Without it, you won't even get off the ground. It's the first step in a long journey, and it's non-negotiable. Focus on math, science, and technical courses. These will be your wingmen throughout your career. Math will help you understand the complex calculations involved in aviation, while science will give you a deeper understanding of the principles that keep planes in the air. A strong foundation in these subjects will give you a head start when you dive into the more specialized world of aviation technology. You'll be better prepared to tackle the challenges that come your way, and you'll have a deeper understanding of the work you're doing. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want a doctor operating on you who barely passed biology, right? The same principle applies here. You need to be confident in your knowledge and skills before you can take on the responsibility of maintaining and repairing aircraft. Same goes for the folks keeping you safe at 30,000 feet. The safety of countless passengers depends on your expertise and attention to detail. Every calculation, every inspection, every repair, it all matters. Knowledge is power, my friends, so fuel up those brains. The more you know, the better you'll be at your job and the safer everyone will be. So don't just skim through your textbooks. Dive deep, ask questions, and seek out additional resources. Your future in aviation depends on it. Courses in physics, electronics, and mechanical drawing can be particularly beneficial. Additionally, developing good communication and problem-solving skills will be invaluable. Aircraft mechanics often need to explain technical information to non-technical personnel and diagnose complex mechanical issues. Now it's time to find yourself a reputable aviation maintenance technician school. This is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a skilled professional in the aviation industry. The right school will provide you with the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience necessary to excel in this field. Look for schools certified under Part 147 of the Federal Aviation Regulations or its equivalent in your country. This certification ensures that the school adheres to the highest standards of education and training, which is essential for your future career. These schools meet the rigorous standards set by the aviation industry, ensuring you receive top-notch training. You'll be working on real aircraft engines, learning the intricacies of aviation maintenance, and gaining valuable hands-on experience that will set you apart in the job market. Do your research, compare programs, and talk to instructors. It's important to understand the curriculum, the facilities, and the support services available to you. Speak with current students and alumni to get a sense of their experiences and outcomes. Attend schools, open houses events, consider the location, class sizes, and the availability of advanced training equipment like test benches, training aids, and simulators. Remember, this is an investment in your future, so choose wisely. The right school will not only provide you with the necessary education, but also open doors to various career opportunities in the aviation industry. Graduation is just the beginning of your journey. Choosing the right school is crucial. The instructors should be experienced professionals who can offer real-world insights and mentorship. Their guidance will be invaluable as you navigate your education and future career. Make sure it's a place where you feel comfortable and confident in the quality of education you'll receive. The environment should be conducive to learning, with state-of-the-art facilities and resources that will help you thrive. After all, this is the foundation of your career. The skills and knowledge you acquire here will be the building blocks for your future success. So take your time, do your research, and choose a school that will set you on the path to a rewarding career in aviation maintenance. These schools offer the necessary training and education that will prepare you for certification exams. They are usually trade schools where you could earn a specialized associate degree in aviation maintenance technology, AMT, aviation electronics technology, AET, or both in a hybrid program for a dual ticket. These Part 147 approved aviation maintenance technician schools or approved training organizations provide hands-on skill sets based on aviation industry practices that are transferable into a diverse set of related occupations. Programs in these schools typically last 18 to 24 months and cover subjects on aviation electronics technology, airframe, and powerplant systems. These programs provide a mix of classroom instruction and hands-on training. You'll learn about aircraft systems, maintenance practices, and safety protocols. The hands-on experience you gain in these programs is crucial, as it prepares you for real-world scenarios. In some countries, with a degree in engineering or physical sciences, you could do an abridged license program for 24 weeks to get the initial license preparatory certificate that will qualify you to sit for the Civil Aviation Authority, or CLA, examination. In the same vein, experience gained at a maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) facility or through military service could be instrumental in obtaining CAA certification without attending any approved aviation maintenance technician school. Working under the guidance of a certified supervisor at an MRO allows you to acquire hands-on experience with various aircraft systems, maintenance procedures, and regulatory compliance, all of which are critical for meeting FAA, EASA, or NCATT requirements. Examples of Civil Aviation Authority include the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States, European Union Aviation Safety Agency in Europe, General Authority of Civil Aviation in Saudi Arabia, Civil Aviation Safety Authority in Australia, Directorate General for Civil Aviation in France, Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority in Nigeria, South African Civil Aviation Authority in South Africa, etc. Similarly, military experience often provides extensive technical training and practical skills in aircraft maintenance, repair, and inspection, which can be documented and applied towards certification. Both pathways offer the practical expertise and supervised hours necessary to qualify for and successfully pass the FAA EASA's rigorous certification exams, ultimately leading to a recognized credential as an aircraft maintenance technician. In school, you'll study welding, composite materials alongside subjects like aerodynamics, electrical systems, and even the physics of flight. It's a comprehensive education designed to prepare you for the complexities of the job. You'll be working on real aircraft, learning the ins and outs of engines, electrical systems, navigation systems, ignition system, bleed air, and everything in between. You'll be disassembling and reassembling components, troubleshooting problems, and developing the skills you need to keep those birds flying high. Remember, safety is paramount. Always follow procedures, ask questions, and learn from your mistakes. Aviation maintenance programs combine classroom instruction with practical, hands-on training. During your training, you'll cover a wide range of topics and also learn how to use various tools and equipment, read blueprints, and follow detailed maintenance manuals. Study the regulations, maintenance practices, and aircraft systems like your life depends on it, because, well, it kind of does. There are plenty of resources available to help you prepare, from study guides to practice exams, which we will cover in subsequent videos. Don't be afraid to ask instructors or fellow students for help. Remember, the more you sweat in training, the less you bleed in battle. To become a certified aircraft mechanic, you must pass written, oral, and practical exams administered by a civil aviation authority of your country, such as Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, for United States, and European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, for European countries. These exams test your knowledge and skills in general aviation maintenance, electronics, avionics, airframe, and powerplant systems. The written exams cover a range of topics, including regulations, maintenance practices, and aircraft systems. The oral and practical exams require you to demonstrate your ability to perform various maintenance tasks and answer questions about your work. Certification bodies for avionics technicians include organizations such as the National Center for Aerospace and Transportation Technologies, NCATT, and U.S. Federal Communications Commission, FCC, for the General Radio Telephone Operator License, GROL, Aircraft Electronics Technician, AET certification bodies, among others. Earning your FAA EASA license is a crucial step in becoming a certified aircraft technician. This process involves rigorous training and preparation to pass the certification exams. These exams test your knowledge and skills in various areas of aircraft maintenance, ensuring you meet the high standards set by the aviation industry. With dedication and the right study materials, you can successfully navigate the requirements and achieve your FAA EASA certification, opening the door to a rewarding career in aviation maintenance. Successfully passing these exams is a major milestone in your journey. Once certified, you'll receive your Airframe and Powerplant A&P or NCATT certificate, allowing you to work on a wide range of aircraft. Your B1, B2, A&P, NCATT, AET, or GROL certificate is a testament to your skills and knowledge. It shows employers that you're qualified to perform maintenance on aircraft and that you meet the high standards set by the FAA EASA or your country's CAA. This certification is your ticket to a rewarding career in aviation maintenance. It's time to translate all that classroom knowledge into real-world experience. Look for apprenticeships or internships with airlines, repair stations, or even the military. This is your chance to work alongside seasoned professionals, learn the ropes, and hone your skills under expert guidance. Be a sponge, soak up everything you can, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Be open to different types of work, from routine maintenance to complex repairs. Volunteer for challenging tasks, take on extra responsibilities, and always be eager to learn. The aviation industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay ahead of the curve. Many schools offer internship programs or have partnerships with airlines and maintenance facilities. These opportunities provide valuable on-the-job training and can help you build connections in the industry. Internships and apprenticeships are great ways to apply what you've learned in a real-world setting. You'll work under the supervision of experienced mechanics, gaining insights and practical skills that are essential for your future career while you seek job opportunities. As you progress, you'll become proficient in diagnosing faults, performing repairs, and conducting routine maintenance. Attention to detail and a commitment to safety are paramount. With some solid experience under your belt, it's time to update that resume and start your job search. Highlight your skills, certifications, and experience. Network with people in the industry, attend job fairs, and scour online job boards. Don't be afraid to reach out to potential employers directly. Remember, a little confidence goes a long way. With your certification in hand, it's time to look for job opportunities. Update your resume, network with industry professionals, and apply to airlines, maintenance repair organizations, MROs, and other aviation companies. Be open to starting in entry-level positions to gain more experience. Building a strong resume and cover letter is key. Highlight your education, training, and any hands-on experience you've gained. Connect with other aviation professionals on social media. The aviation industry is constantly evolving with new technologies and regulations emerging all the time. To stay at the top of your game, you need to be a lifelong learner. Attend industry conferences, take refresher courses, and stay up to date on the latest advancements in aircraft maintenance. The more you know, the more valuable you become to potential employers. Many employers offer ongoing training, and there are numerous workshops and courses available to help you stay up to date. Continuing education is vital for career advancement. As new technologies emerge and regulations change, staying informed and up to date ensures that you remain a valuable asset in the aviation industry. Congratulations, you've made it. You're now a certified aircraft technician, living the dream and keeping the world flying. But the journey doesn't end there. There are always opportunities to advance your career, whether it's specializing or getting type rated on a particular aircraft, pursuing advanced certifications, or even moving into management roles. The sky's the limit. Specializing in areas like turbine engines, avionics, or composite materials can open up new opportunities and increase your earning potential. You can also explore roles in quality control, training, or even start your own maintenance business. So there you have it. Folks, the 10 steps to becoming an aircraft technician. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career change, the aviation industry offers exciting opportunities for those with the right skills and dedication. It's a challenging but rewarding career path, one that demands dedication, skill, and a whole lot of heart. If you're up for the challenge, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on all things aviation. And don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss an upload. Watch out for our next video. Until next time, keep your wrenches tight and your spirits high. We'll see you in the hangar.